hail from Gurgaon.
Hi, I'm Bobby Gandhi, owner of Bob's Automall. We are into all kinds of car accessories, car audio we specialize.
So I recently purchased Pioneer music system and get it installed in my Brezza car, you can see here. If I talk about the features of this, so I like the phone mirroring is also there, CarPlay is there, so we can connect the phone and other features, map.
Talking about 4450, one very good feature in that is about screen mirroring, where you can watch live YouTube as well.
Really, I am a music lover, so I like the better sound quality. Wherever I go, I feel that sound quality should not impact our ears, but it should give a pleasure in our mind.
In terms of sound quality, I feel Pioneer is one of the best in the world. The sound quality, the clarity that you get in Pioneer, no other brand can match. Pioneer is a complaint-free brand in terms of touch quality, in terms of the product quality. Everything is good about Pioneer. Customer finds reliability, gets good service, and it's reliable, it's very easy to sell.